I am taking the subject English, that is the poem Upagupta, 9th standard. This poem is about the story of Buddhist monk Upagupta, a disciple of Lord Buddha and the dancing girl of Mathura, Vasavadatta. Vasavadatta was a famous and beautiful dancing girl. She was proud of her beauty, youth and wealth. Upagupta was an ascetic, an epitome of kindness, wisdom and selflessness. One dark night while walking, Vasavadatta stumbles over the body of Upagupta, who was sleeping on the dusty ground. This is the introduction of the poem. Now I am going to read the poem. This poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. I can read the poem. Upagupta, the disciple of Buddha, lay asleep in the dust by the city wall of Mathura. Lamps were all out, doors were all shut, and stars were all hidden by the murky sky of August. Whose feet were those tinkling with anklets, touching his breast of a sudden? He woke up startled, and a light from the woman's lamp fell on his forgiving eyes. It was a dancing girl, starred with jewels, wearing a pale blue mantle, drunk with the wine of her youth. She lowered her lamp and saw a young face, austerely beautiful. "Forgive me, young ascetic," said the woman. "Graciously come to my house. The dusty earth is not fit bed for you." The young ascetic answered, "Woman, go on your way. When the time is ripe, I will come to you." Suddenly the black night showed its teeth in a flash of lightning. The storm growled from the corner of the sky, and the woman trembled in fear for some unknown danger. A year has not yet passed. It was evening of a day in April, in spring season. The branches of the wayside trees were full of blossom. Gay notes of a flute came floating on the warm spring air from afar. Upagupta passed through the city gates and stood at the base of the rampart. Was that the woman laying at his feet in the shadow of the mango grove, struck with the black pestilence, her body spotted with sores of smallpox? She had hurriedly removed from the town to avoid her poisonous contagion. The ascetic sat by her side, took her head on his knees, and moistened her lips with water, and smeared her body with sandal balm. "Who are you, merciful one?" asked the woman. "The time at last has come to visit you, and I am here," replied the young ascetic. That's all. I can explain you now. Upagupta, the disciple of Buddha, lay asleep in the dust by the city wall of Mathura. So here, Upagupta, the disciple of the Buddha, we know that he was the disciple. Disciple means follower. Lay asleep in the dust by the city wall of Mathura. In the city wall of Mathura, he was slept. Lamps were all out, no lamps at all. Doors were all shut, all the doors were closed, and the stars were all hidden by the murky sky of August. No light was there, it was all darkness there. It was in the month of August. Whose feet were those tinkling with anklets? At the time, there was a tinkling with the anklets. Anklets means ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ, ಅದರ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Touching his breast of a sudden. All of a sudden he was touched the breast of the ascetic. He woke up startled. Startled means extremely surprised. Here. And a light from the woman's lamp fell on his forgiving eyes. In those days there is no street lamps at all. So everyone brings the light with them. So like that here also that lady brings the light. Forgiving means It was dancing girl, stared with jewels. Stared means shining like stars. Wearing a pale blue mantle. Mantle means the dress of Vasavadatta. How was she? Drunk with the wine of her youth. She was already drunk a wine. She lowered her lamp. She can lower the light. Lowered the light and saw the young face of the utterly beautiful. She can look the ascetic's face. It was so beautiful. That is handsome it means. Forgive me, young ascetic, said the woman. She can ask him, excuse me for an ascetic. Why? Graciously come to my house. What she can do? She can call the ascetic to her house. Why? The dusty earth is not fit bed for you. The bed is not fit for an ascetic. So you can come to my house. The young ascetic answered. What was answered? Woman, go on your way. You can go away. Go your way. When the time is ripe, I will come to you. What she says? When the time is very important here. When the time is ripe, I will come to you. You can say to that woman. Suddenly the black knight showed his teeth in a flash of lightning. She realized when she was gone, no, a single piece of light was there. Everywhere there is darkness. The star crawled from the corner of the sky. Star means that is crawled from the corner of the sky. In the sky, a star was going on. The woman trembled in fear for some unknown danger. Something bad was happening to her. She can think of like that. A year had not yet passed. Not a year was not yet passed. It was evening of a day in April. It is in the month of April. That is spring season. The branches of the wayside trees were full of blossom. It means everywhere the trees were full of flowers. The gay notes of flute came floating in the warm spring air from afar. Everywhere it was the flutes came floating. ವಾರಂ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಫಾರ್. ದೂರದಿಂದಲೇ ಒಂದು ಸುವಾಸನೆಯಾದಂಥ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಉಪಗುಪ್ತ passed through the city gates and stood at the base of the rampart. He was near the rampart. Was that woman laying at his feet in the shadow of a mango tree? That Vasavadatta, how beautifully she was. But now she was laying on the mango tree, shadow of a mango grove. Struck with the black pestilence her body. She was attacked with the smallpox. Smallpox means epidemic disease. Spotted with sores. His body was full of spotted with sores. Sores umbrella. Gaya. It's smallpox. She had hurriedly removed from the town to avoid a poisonous contagion. Contagion means antiroga. It can contact to everyone. They can attack. So she can remove from the town in a faraway place. The ascetic sat by her side, took her head on his knees. In this condition, this Upagupta, the ascetic, come to her side and he can give the treatment to her. How he can give? He took his head on his knees. It was a poisonous disease, but he was treating her. The moistened her lips with water. What he was doing? He can drink the water. So he can moisten. Moisten means pour the water to her lips and smear her body with sandal balm. He can bring the sandal balm. He was smeared. Smeared means applied. Applied to her body. Who are you, merciful one? Asked the woman. The woman was asked him, "Who are you, you merciful? The time at last has come to visit you." He can say already, "The time at last has come to visit you, and I am here," replied the young ascetic. She was calling that Upagupta to come to their house. What he says, "When the time is right, I will come." Like that, he can give the assurance to come. So at last, when she was attacked the poisonous disease, he was go and she was taken care of her. That's all.